Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze weekly gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So my last week gold trading made massive profit in our Telegram group Signal Services and made massive profit from gold trading. You can join with my Telegram link is below and get the VIP access and make massive profit from the gold trading. So link is below, you can join with it. So I'm in a daily chart. What is going on next week gold? Let's see the technical picture. This is the trend line, is the key area for gold trading next week. I am hoping if this trend line break out to the upside, that is the bullish from gold. So I am saying this technically. Remember, technical analysis, to break out this trend line you should wait for the retest and the upside 2060 is the target. That is the bullish for gold. So this is the strong resistances in 2060 area. That's the powerful resistance area. Price can be rejected from this area 2060. That is the technical my one side picture. So I have a technical picture other side. So let's see the technically what is the other side. So you can see that this candle pattern is price continue to the downside. This breakout is go to the upside. That is the one picture, and technically I am seeing another picture. So this candle pattern is the going to the downside. This trend line price rejected 2040 area. That is the bearish for gold. So next downtrend will be continuing next week. That's the technically I am seeing. That is the level 1980 is the next level target. So that is the bearish for gold. If not break out this trend line, at the downtrend will be continuing. That's the 1980 is the target. That is the my two options with the technically analysis, technical picture I am seeing like this picture goal. So let's see the what is the going on economic data. So Federal Reserve, American Central Bank, I am in a Forex Factory website. That's the next week is the GDP report USA. So gross domestic product quarterly report is there. 3.3% is the last one, and the Fed, American Central Banks, will hope to 3.3% again. That's the strong GDP report will demand gold and demand dollar and drop to the gold. That will be affected next week. Economic data you will touch if you are trading gold. So let's see the Fed Watch Tool website. What is the going on with the interest rate decision? So that is the March FOMC meeting forecast. Almost 98% forecast the post the rate. So 5.5 is the current rate is Fed. And let's see the May FOMC meeting, that is also 91%, almost 92% forecast to the post the rate again Fed. So that will be demand dollars for maintain and maintain as 5.5 rate. So let's see the June FOMC meeting. That's the interesting one. That's the 5% forecast to the interest rate cutoff 25 bps. That's the June meeting is the interesting there. That is the forecast to interest rate cutoff forecast in June FOMC meeting. So I am hoping so 5.5 interest rates will be maintained May March FOMC meeting and May FOMC meeting. That will be the reason for dollar demand and the gold drop to the below side. So I am always touching with the website Fed Watch Tool regarding interest rates. So let's see the technically analysis next week. So I am going to the 4-hour chart gold. You can see I am seeing here pattern. That's the triangle, expanding triangle pattern is that was the happening on last week. Price ranging this pattern. This is the pattern triangle, but expanding triangle patterns. You can see last week price was that's the ranging in this pattern. So breakout to the upside, that is the bullet. I have mentioned that. So I am hoping next week this movement will be continuing next week. This expanded triangle pattern, next movement is the downside. I am hoping next week. So my first target is the 2010 level, that is the buy zone, that is the target, but first target, and the next target is the 2000 level, that's the 2010 level first target, and then 2000 level is the next level targets. That's why I'm hoping next week you have a sell opportunity goal. I think so. If you are touched with this trend line breakout is the interesting one. If not, that's the their goal is the bearish to complete the triangle pattern to the downside. So touch with this. My signals in Telegram link is below. You can join with, so get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmations. Money management is the key. 2000 is the next level target. Thank you very much.